Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to turn a shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new file. Okay, then select any shape. Use any shape. Okay, then press Ctrl T. Warp, warp, and press Ctrl T. Warp. Now see this many custom shape. Oh, sorry, many custom ARC lower, ARC upper, black, etc. Again press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, click and drag it, right click, skew, again right click, distort, okay, and last press Ctrl T, oh sorry, last one, go to filter and see this distort, twill, share, repel, warp, click for change it, okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.